Web Development Crash Course, Introduction to Frontend Frameworks. Introduction. Frontend frameworks have revolutionized web development by providing developers with powerful tools and libraries to build interactive and responsive user interfaces. These frameworks offer pre-built components, simplified syntax, and efficient data binding, enabling developers to create complex applications with ease. In this crash course, we will explore the world of front-end frameworks, their benefits, and the top 12 techniques used in front-end development. Interesting stories/examples. 1. Twitter's transition to React. In 2012, Twitter, a popular social media platform, faced performance and scalability issues with its front-end codebase. They decided to migrate their front-end to React, a JavaScript front-end framework developed by Facebook. This transition improved their application's performance and made it more modular and maintainable. 2. Airbnb's use of Vue.js. Airbnb, a leading online marketplace for accommodations, adopted Vue.js as their front-end framework. They appreciated Vue.js for its simplicity, flexibility, and excellent performance. Vue.js helped Airbnb deliver a smooth and seamless user experience across their website and mobile applications. 3. Angular's adoption by Google. Angular, developed and maintained by Google, is one of the most popular front-end frameworks. Google uses Angular for many of its internal projects, including Google AdWords and Google Cloud Console. The extensive use of Angular within Google showcases its capabilities and scalability. Top 12 front-end development techniques/methods. 1. Component-based architecture. Front-end frameworks encourage the use of a component-based architecture, where the user interface is broken down into reusable components. Components encapsulate their own styles, behavior, and data, making the codebase modular and maintainable. 2. Virtual DOM. Front-end frameworks like React and Vue.js use a virtual DOM, a lightweight representation of the actual DOM. The virtual DOM allows the framework to efficiently track changes and update only the necessary parts of the real DOM, resulting in improved performance. 3. State management. State management is crucial for handling application data and its changes. Front-end frameworks provide state management solutions, such as Redux in React and Vue.js in Vue.js, to manage complex application states and facilitate efficient data flow. 4. Routing. Routing is essential for creating single-page applications where different views or components are loaded dynamically based on the URL. Front-end frameworks offer built-in routing mechanisms, like React Router and Vue Router, to manage navigation and render the appropriate components. 5. Styling and CSS preprocessors. Front-end frameworks provide styling solutions, including support for CSS preprocessors like Sass and Less. These preprocessors enhance CSS with variables, mixins, and functions, making styling more maintainable and modular. 6. Responsive design. Front-end frameworks promote responsive design principles, ensuring that web applications adapt and display properly on different devices and screen sizes. Responsive design techniques, such as media queries and flexbox layouts, are integrated into front-end frameworks. 7. Form handling and validation. Handling user input and validating form data is a crucial aspect of front-end development. Front-end frameworks offer form handling and validation features, simplifying the process of capturing user data and providing real-time validation feedback. 8. Asynchronous data fetching. Web applications often require fetching data from servers asynchronously. Front-end frameworks provide mechanisms, such as built-in HTTP clients and libraries like Axios, to simplify data fetching and make API integration seamless. 9. Cross-browser compatibility. Front-end frameworks handle cross-browser compatibility issues by providing polyfills and abstractions that normalize browser differences. This ensures consistent behavior and appearance of web applications across various browsers. 10. Internationalization and localization. Front-end frameworks offer support for internationalization, and localization to create applications that cater to users from different regions. These features enable developers to easily translate and adapt their applications for different languages and cultural preferences. 11. Testing and debugging tools. Front-end frameworks provide testing utilities and debugging tools to facilitate efficient development. These tools include framework-specific testing libraries, browser extensions for debugging, and developer tools integrated into popular browsers. 12. Performance optimization. Front-end frameworks emphasize performance optimization techniques such as code splitting, lazy loading, and tree shaking. These techniques reduce the initial loading time and improve the runtime performance of web applications. Summarization. In this crash course, we delved into the world of front-end frameworks, exploring their benefits and the top 12 techniques used in front-end development. From component-based architecture to performance optimization, front-end frameworks offer a range of powerful tools and techniques to streamline the development process and deliver outstanding user experiences. Front-end frameworks have transformed the way web applications are built, enabling developers to create complex and responsive interfaces with ease. They handle critical aspects like state management, routing, form handling, and data fetching, allowing developers to focus on building application logic rather than reinventing the wheel. By adopting front-end frameworks, companies like Twitter, Airbnb, and Google have witnessed significant improvements in performance, scalability, and development efficiency. These success stories highlight the impact and value of front-end frameworks in the ever-evolving world of web development. Poem, The Framework Symphony. In the realm of web creation, where interfaces come to life, front-end frameworks take their station. A symphony of code, pure and rife. Components dance in perfect harmony. Building blocks of modular might. Virtual DOM, the conductor of the symphony. Efficiently rendering the visual light. State management, a seamless flow. Routing paths to explore. Responsive designs that gracefully grow. Adapting to screens galore. Styling with preprocessors, elegant and neat. Cross-browser compatibility, a harmonious feat. Asynchronous data fetching, connections discrete. Front-end frameworks make development sweet. Form handling and validation. Testing and debugging's revelation. Performance optimization, a fine calibration. Front-end frameworks, our development's foundation. The web sings with front-end frameworks might. Empowering developers with tools so bright. They shape the digital landscape with glee. In this symphony of code, a masterpiece to see. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. A = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AdHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.